Hey everyone, Avapollo here, and today we're doing another Transformers Legacy Evolution figure review. This time it's Armada Universe Optimus Prime, which fits because we just did Armada Universe Megatron. Now, this is a Commander class, so I think it's going to be bigger than Megatron, which is a shame. They should be the same size. Maybe they are. Maybe it's just Commander because he comes with a trailer. I don't know. But really cool design. Of course, it's anime feel and look to it because it's an anime show. So, yeah. Look on the side, just get some pictures of the other ones. Over here, we see him actually transforming into the truck. Pretty cool. And, oh boy. So, let's see. 20 steps for just this part. But then 22 steps for the trailer? I don't know. Figure it out, I guess, when I open it up. Now, I'm assuming it's already going to be in the truck form. Because usually they are. The big one's usually already in the alt forms. So I'm hoping this guy is. That way I only have to transform him once. But, let's open it up, take a closer look. Alright, so here's Optimus Prime out of the box. So first we'll go over what it came with. Directions. And of course it has that minty green. I don't know. It's a really big poster one. So it shouldn't be too difficult. The pictures look big enough to see all the detail. So I'm hoping this will be easy. And then he came with two other things besides the trailer and him. He has this gun that I had to put on, and if we take this off, this right here, including the red part, is another piece that had to be popped on. But yeah, so it looks good. He has his typical red, blue design. Yeah, gray, black, some gold in places. I like that. He's got his nice little Autobot symbol there. And he has one on the other side. And he has one, if we just take that off, flip it up, right here. And this one's actually not painted. It's well, it has paint on it, but it's been molded. So you can actually feel the textures and everything. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And you can see his hands right there. And then he has, looks like even bigger hands in the back. I'm a little curious about this. I only looked at the directions a little bit, because you have to put the gun piece and this piece on to have the trailer together. And of course, no actual real treads. There's a reel underneath. And it just sits in a little peg here. Doesn't snap in. I kind of wish they would snap, just to make it safer. But it does roll really nice. And the thing has some weight to it, mainly from this. This, not so much. Yeah, this is definitely, I would say this is probably twice the weight as that one. I could be wrong. I don't know. But very cool. Bunch of wheels. I like this thing. I really can't wait to transform it. And he has a couple transformations, I guess, or a few things you can do with it. Alright, so the first thing we can do, when you take this off, it kind of just tips over. But he does have little stands on the side. Just flip that down, and flip that, and there. Now it stays perfectly horizontal. Alright, now that we did that, time to transform this into the battle station and Optimus Prime's robot form. Alright, well, here they are transformed. Well, the first transformation. So we'll go over the, I never know what the hell these things are called, battle station, whatever. So you put the gun right here if you want. This can move. You can twist all the way around. Oh, yeah, you can also do that. But yeah, it's okay. I kind of like the other ones more, of the other Optimus Primes. This one's just too, it's it's too bulky and it doesn't need to be. But, oh well, whatever. We got missiles right here. Got cannons on the side. We got the big one up here. Scope it out. And that's pretty much it. He would just stand up here somewhere, I guess. I don't know. I guess, yeah, you could just have him sit up there. But yeah, that's it for this. Not much to talk about. But we got Optimus Prime. Now, his design for this one, which I know it's from an anime, so I guess this makes perfect sense. He reminds me of one of the Gundams from Mobile Suit Fighter G Gundam. I don't know why, but I think he reminds me of the American one. I think he had the same color scheme, and it was kind of big and bulky like him. But not bad. So you see, put the little, the smokestacks on the sides here. Big ol' head. I like it. So he's red, blue, gray, silver. He has painted yellow eyes, which, again, I would prefer to have the clear plastic with a little clear piece on the back that you could shine a light through to make it, you know, light up. But it's like they just stopped doing that now. So much for that. And he has little bits of gold accents on him. Like right here, here. Lift up his arm, you see a lot more of it there. And then in the back with the big hands. So he still has his Optimus Prime symbol. Just right on the back. And you can take this off. Which, yeah. So, we can do a few things right now. I guess, if you fold this down, we get... Oh, I'm gonna say it wrong. I always do. Oh, what is this? It's the, not the Matrix. His Spark. No, not the All-Spark. That'd be wrong. No, this is the Matrix. Matrix of Leadership, right? I don't know. I can never remember. But yeah, this thing comes out. Come on. And you see it has a little, like, clear jewel in the middle. So, we can take the gun off of the battle station here. And, you know, that'll just go right in his hand. And it's not heavy, the gun, so it's not going to make his arm fall down. I've had a couple figures where their weapons are a little too heavy for their arms, so their arms just go like this after a while. But this one seems like it'd be good. Now, what you can do is you can take off little things here, and then you just take the gun, find the holes on the side, pop it in. And same thing with this one. There. Looks kind of cool. I like that. Gives it more color to it anyway. Yeah, it just looks nice. Alright, so still not done yet with him. So like I was saying before, you could take off that little thing he has. On the back, the Autobot symbol. Just comes right out. And so you don't lose it, you can put it right here. We could put on any of the little hexagonal shapes. And just put it there, and then the gun just goes right on the back. There. Now you can store it. So if you want to pose your figure or anything up, and you don't want to have to hold the gun, this part keeps coming a little loose. Yeah, if you want to have them posed without having to use the gun, you put it on the back, and you don't even notice it's there. But he's not done yet. He has another transformation to go through. So let's take a look at that one. Alright, here he is transformed. Again. Really big. Oh yeah. I would say definitely bigger than the Armada Universe Megatron. Not by much, maybe. But, yeah, there is a size difference. Now, I didn't go over articulation on the other version of him. I totally forgot about that. But that's okay, because I can tell you right now, when I did test it, it was fine. Pretty much all the same places move that you would expect. But we'll go over it with him. So we got the head. That can go around. Straight. No down. He does have the head tilt. And these little things move in and out. Little, I don't know what you want to call them, earpieces or whatever. ear exhausts. That's what it looks like. Got the arms. Oh, yeah, the shoulder things like to unsnap. Alright, they're back together. We can twist this all the way. You can go out to 90. Got the elbow, single jointed. We can twist it. Now, the cool thing about him, his fingers can actually move. That's pretty cool, I think. And it doesn't affect how he would hold anything, because you can put the weapon in his hand, and it just has a little peg hole, so you can still open the fingers and it stays in place. And we get the waist, which it can go all the way around, but he has this big part in the back that you gotta really move everything out of the way. Everything out of the way to get to go around. And just put everything back down. And get the legs. Goes out to 90. Yeah, it's not going to go back far because of that. But we can twist it. And we got the knees. Jesus. Get just about 90. Just shy of a degree or two. Now, the other version of him, or the other transformation of him, where he's smaller, pretty much just think of everything as the same. All the articulation. We get the feet. You can bend toes up instead of down. And he can bring his feet inward. Can't go anything else. So not bad. Now, this guy is really big. I actually like this look better than the smaller form of him. I don't know. It just seems really cool. I like it. And it definitely resembles a Gundam to me because of the side things on the head. Yeah, if we turn it around, we can see the back. Yeah. So, unlike the other Optimus Primes that I've checked out, he actually uses his trailer, the whole part of it, so there's nothing left over, no extra pieces to have to store anywhere. This is the whole thing, which I think that's great, because I have like a shelf just for all the trailers, just to get them out of the way, but not have to put them in like a storage or anything, just so they're near the figures themselves. I have a big like bookcase, so the bottom shelf has all the different trailers and all the other shelves on it. Alright, well, that's just been a review of Hasbro and Takara Tomei's Transformers Legacy Evolution Armada Universe Optimus Prime. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below. And as always, you all have yourselves a good one, and I will see you later.